What if you could invest like the world's wealthiest investors? While most people chase yesterday's winners, billionaires and major investment funds are already positioning themselves for tomorrow's opportunities. In this video, you'll discover the 10 investment sectors that top investors are watching right now, why they matter, and how they could shape the global economy over the next decade. Make sure you stay until the end, because the final investment trend might surprise you, and it could become one of the biggest opportunities of the future. One thing separates successful investors from everyone else. They don't simply react to the news. They identify powerful trends before they become obvious. Instead of asking, what is popular today? They ask, what will become essential 5 or 10 years from now? Let's explore the industries attracting billions of dollars from institutional investors around the world. 1. Artificial intelligence, AI. Artificial intelligence has become one of the fastest growing investment opportunities in the world. AI is transforming industries ranging from healthcare and finance to manufacturing, education, and transportation. Top investors are particularly interested in companies that develop AI software, cloud computing platforms, semiconductor chips, and data centers, the essential infrastructure powering the AI revolution. Why investors are interested? Rapid global adoption, strong long-term growth potential, expanding business applications across nearly every industries. 2. Clean energy. As governments and businesses work toward reducing carbon emissions, investment in renewable energy continues to grow. Solar power, wind energy, battery storage, and green hydrogen are among the sectors attracting significant capital. Although clean energy stocks can experience periods of volatility, many investors believe they represent an important long-term opportunity. Key areas: solar energy, wind farms, battery technology, green hydrogen, smart energy infrastructure. 3. Gold. Despite the rise of new investment opportunities, gold remains one of the world's most trusted safe haven assets. Investors often increase their exposure to gold during periods of economic uncertainty, inflation, or geopolitical tensions. Rather than relying solely on gold, professional investors typically use it as part of a diversified portfolio to reduce overall risk. 4. Digital infrastructure. The digital economy depends on powerful infrastructure behind the scenes. As cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and online services continue to expand, demand is growing for data centers, fiber optic networks, cloud infrastructure, cybersecurity solutions, telecommunications equipment. These industries are becoming increasingly important as the world becomes more connected. 5. Healthcare and medical technology. Healthcare continues to be one of the strongest long-term investment themes. An aging global population, medical innovation, and increasing healthcare spending are creating new opportunities in medical devices, biotechnology, pharmaceutical research, genetic medicine, early disease detection technologies. Many investors believe healthcare will remain a resilient sector regardless of economic conditions. 6. Semiconductor industry. Semiconductors are the foundation of modern technology. From smartphones and electric vehicles to artificial intelligence and advanced robotics, nearly every major technological innovation depends on high-performance computer chips. This makes semiconductor manufacturers and chip designers an important focus for long-term investors. 7. Digital assets and cryptocurrencies. Although cryptocurrencies remain highly volatile, institutional investors continue monitoring the digital asset market. Their attention extends beyond cryptocurrencies themselves to include blockchain technology, digital payment systems, tokenization, digital asset infrastructure. Because of the higher risks involved, experienced investors generally limit digital assets to a small portion of a diversified investment portfolio. 8. Water and natural resources. Water is becoming one of the world's most valuable strategic resources. Growing populations, climate change, and increasing industrial demand are driving investment in companies specializing in water treatment, desalination technology, water infrastructure recycling systems, water efficiency solutions. Many experts believe this sector will become increasingly important over the coming decades. 9. Specialized real estate. Instead of focusing only on residential or commercial buildings, many investors are turning their attention to specialized real estate sectors, including data centers, logistics warehouses, medical facilities, student housing, senior living communities. These properties often benefit from long-term demographic and economic trends. 10. Companies with strong cash flow. During uncertain economic periods, professional investors often prioritize companies with solid financial fundamentals. They typically look for businesses that offer consistent earnings, healthy cash flow, low debt levels, strong management teams, sustainable competitive advantages, reliable dividend payments. Financially strong companies are generally better positioned to navigate economic downturns. How top investors think. One of the biggest misconceptions about investing is that successful investors constantly search for the next hot stock. In reality, most experienced investors follow a disciplined approach built around a few timeless principles. Diversify investments across multiple sectors. Focus on long-term wealth creation rather than short-term speculation. Manage risk before chasing returns. Study major economic and technological trends. Make decisions based on research and data, not emotions. This disciplined mindset often separates successful investors from the average market participant. Financial markets will always change, but the principles of successful investing remain remarkably consistent. Today's leading investors are closely watching sectors such as artificial intelligence, clean energy, digital infrastructure, healthcare, semiconductors, gold, and water resources, because they believe these areas may shape the global economy for years to come. No investment is guaranteed to succeed, which is why diversification, careful research, and sound risk management remain essential. Before making any investment decision, understand the opportunities, evaluate the risks, and ensure that your investment strategy aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. In investing, knowledge, patience, and discipline are often the greatest competitive advantages.